Hey everyone, it's Lizzie from Lizzie's World of Gems. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my month in review. So this year in 2026, I wanted to start doing month in reviews. I see other creators doing it as well. So I thought I'm going to do the opportunity of doing this as well to see what I have accomplished in 1 month. So this month I was blinging in the new year. I did that event. I have this painting from Captured by Radiance. It's called Fairy Aurora. It was 101 centimeters by 60 centimeters. It has 67 colors. It had 10 enhancements and I added 9 more, so that makes 19 enhancements I put into this kit. As you can see, it's turning out beautifully. I'm doing it this way because my desk does not allow me to do it the other way. So I'm just gonna move it up here so you guys can see how pretty it is. I put a lot of blue crystals. I think I put like 3 different types of blue crystals in it. And I also have the little crystals that are round, but they're for squares. And then I have jellies. I got some jelly green and light green in it. I did put some crystal violets in here. I did do some crystal oranges in here for her hair. I think it turned out really, really well. And this is where I left off. So I left off here. This is as much as I got done. Now it's February 1st. I got to start doing my Love is in the Air project. So I'm going to put this one aside, and hopefully if I'm done Love is in the Air before the end of February, I can come back and finish this off, because as you can see, I don't have very much left. I think if I didn't take a lot of breaks because of the puppy and stuff, I probably would have got this done in the whole month of January, which it is quite a big canvas. And I feel like I did accomplish a lot on this canvas for the month. So as you can see, it turned out gorgeous. Just love, love, love the way her face, and it's a beautiful canvas that is going to be displayed for sure in my craft room because it is so beautiful. So this is all I got done this month. I'm going to be starting Secrets Between Friends from Captured by Radiance for the month of February, and then maybe when I'm done that one, I can come back and I can quickly finish this bottom half. So now I'm going to end up having 2 whips in my life because that's just the way it goes. So February, you'll probably see this one again and whatever I got done in the month of February, if I did or if I did not. Just keeps you guys track of where I'm at within the month and what I want to accomplish to finish. But I am super proud of this one. I think it looks really, really good. And if you haven't got it, I'm not sure. I think it's out of stock right now. I don't know when it's going to be restocked, but this is a must-have, I think, from Captured by Radiance. And I am an affiliate to Captured by Radiance, and I do have a code. It's Lizzie15 for 15% off if you want to go get this one or any of the other ones. Heads up, sneak peeks are coming soon, so there's a lot more coming out, and I think you guys are going to be super pleased of what you see. But for now, that's all I got for this month in review. I know it's short and sweet, but it is what it is. I think it's turning out really, really nice. And I'm going to take out my next kit. I'm going to kit it up, and you'll see that video this week as well. Till next time, guys, take care. Bye. Hey guys, it's me again. If you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe to this video and hit that notification bell, and it'll remind you whenever I load up a video. I'd be super tickled pink. Till next time, guys, take care. Bye.